Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Revolut's mobile payment features. Let's get straight into the video. It's going to be a quick one. Now the first step is setting up mobile payments, and what you want to do is to open the Revolut app. So you got to ensure that you have the latest version of the Revolut app, and just open that up, and of course log into your accounts, and then go to the card tabs and select mobile payments. And then you want to add a physical card, or if you got a virtual Revolut card, you could add that to your mobile payment wallet. And then just verify your card details, including the card number, the expiration date, and of course the security code. And now when it comes to using mobile payments, what you want to do is to first of all unlock your device using your PIN, your pattern, or your biometric authentication, and then just open the mobile app. You could open the mobile payment apps such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay, whichever one it is you're using, and then just select your Revolut card as the payment method, and then authenticate the transaction using your biometric authentication. You could have your Face ID, or it could be your fingerprint, and then just complete the transaction by tapping your device on the payment terminal. And once that's done, you'll be able to use your device for mobile payments. That's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked the video, found it useful. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.